To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the search icon from the bottom menu. On the search bar you will see the Meta AI button, Ask Meta AI anything. Tap on it. You will then see some suggested prompts. Swipe left to see more prompts. You can select any of these. If you want to start a conversation with the Meta AI, tap the Meta icon. Enter your own prompt. And then tap the Send button. Meta AI will respond based on your query. An AI's response may not be accurate or appropriate, so you should not use it to make important decisions. AIs have only been trained in English, which may result in lower quality responses for languages that currently aren't supported. If you are satisfied with the response, you can give a like. When you are done using Meta AI, simply go back. Next time when you tap the Meta AI button again, you can start the conversation from where you left it. So these are all the things you need to know about using Meta AI on Instagram.